you heard about this website called Sproutgigs, or have you used it before? If not, then what is Sproutgigs? Now, Sproutgigs was initially called Pico Workers, and it works more like these freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Basically, what happens at Sproutgigs is that you do simple and little tasks for some pay, which you can slowly compile and combine and withdraw. Now, what are some of the things that you need to know before creating a Sproutgigs account or maybe signing up? If you intend to use payment providers like PayPal, it means that the email address that you use to sign up to Sproutgigs should be the same one that you have created a PayPal account with. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have a look at how you can create this account and start earning or start working on Sproutgigs. And at the end of this video, we look at some of the issues concerning the security, withdrawal, and some other important things that are going to help you stay safe on the website and avoid being banned. So let's jump right into Sproutgigs platform or website and see how you can create an account and how you can start doing these tasks. So if you go to your browser and type sproutgigs.com, this is normally the layout that you get, or maybe what you land on first. Now this website was initially called Pico Workers and the title was just changed. Now in this section you have the options to sign up or log in. So if you tap on the sign up option, you have these details that you require to enter. Now you need to enter your real name, and then you also need to type a password and confirm your password. You choose a nickname that will appear on your account on this website, and then you select a country. Now once you've done this and filled up all these sections and selected how you want to sign up, you can sign up as a worker or as an employee, depends on what you want to do. If you sign up as a worker, you'll do simple gigs and get paid, and you can still always switch that account into employer account and post gigs for other people to do if you want to promote a website or such things. Now once you're done with this, you'll tap on sign up. Now if I have signed up already, I would instead tap log in. Then I just enter my password there, then I'll log into this account. Now when I do this, there's always a security code that needs to be sent into my account. This is two-factor authentication, so I have the authenticator app, so I need to go to my device and look for that. So I'll enter the number, then I'll confirm it, I'll verify it. Sign up to Sproutgigs using the link in the description today and start earning. If you click on the link, I earn a referral commission, which helps support the channel and also helps me bring you similar videos that will help you maybe get to understand more about tech. Now once you're on this section here, you have different categories. You have gigs here, you have micro jobs, your wallet, and all this. So if you begin from this section here, these are the places where you can get jobs, and you can also post jobs, as you can see in this section here. On micro jobs, this is where you see what you've done. You see all the satisfied, pending review, and it just shows you a layout of the tasks that you're doing, and then of the ones that you have done already. Then what are some of the most important things that you need to know when you get started working on this platform? You do have a minimum amount of seconds. If you hover over this, you see you can read all the details, and it also you can submit tasks in certain intervals until you reach a certain level, so you earn a certain amount of money. So these are the conditions that you have here. There are different tasks and different payment levels. If you choose to do simple tasks and earn like $0.03, I can always do that maybe as easy as maybe within a minute or two. But then there are tougher tasks, like if you look at this, comment on an article. If you follow up on this, you'll find that you'll have to go to that website and create an account and maybe submit your email on such things. So such tasks are the ones that have higher earnings. But if you look at a simple task like this one, for instance, if I open it, you'll notice that what it requires is you need to visit a website, and then you need submit URL from the website and maybe a code. So there are tasks that have codes for confirmation of task completions, but others do not. But it depends on how the employer decided to post the task on the website. Now, if apart from such tasks, you do have surveys, but now they are normally not very common. If you look at this right now, there are no surveys here, but they do have surveys that pay you, so you can do a survey for 10, 20, 30 minutes, and then you'll be awarded some amount. If you look at my notification here, I have this that a survey that I did before, and it is yet to be paid, but it is pending, and you will get paid on maybe after 7 days. Mostly it does happen after 7 days. Now, when it comes to withdrawing your earnings, you do have to reach at least $5. And if I go to this section here and try to in the withdrawal, if I want to withdraw, I'll go to the wallet. So if I go to the wallet, I will go to this section here and I go to withdrawals. Then I can request withdrawal. Now, initially they had the ATM payment method, which was a much easier way to withdraw your earnings, but that kind of changed, and now you have Litecoin, PayPal, and Skrill. Now, this is the point where I told you if you choose to use PayPal, for instance, you'll need to make sure that the email you use to sign up is same as the one you created your PayPal account with. And you should notice that my earned balance is only $4, and I'm told not enough funds. It means I should have a minimum of $5 before I can withdraw. If I had reached $5, I would just tap PayPal, then I'd be sent a code via email. I would enter that code to confirm withdrawal. The other thing is that for you to withdraw with PayPal, the PayPal account must be verified. And if you've not verified your account, there is a video talking about how to verify PayPal account in the description or in one of the pop-ups above. So you can follow up on that and verify your PayPal account to continue using this. The other option that you can use here is a Skrill. You can set up your Skrill account, or if you already have an existing one, you can connect it to your Sproutgigs account and be able to withdraw your income or send it to your mobile payment service. Apart from that, we have levels on this platform. Now, if I go to my account section here, if I tap here, I have this option so I can see my profile. See, now this is the success rate. This is one more thing that you need to be aware of. Your success rate, the temporary success rate, depends on the number of tasks that have been approved. You noted that in my section here I had 18 tasks that are pending review. If this goes below 75%, I will not be able to submit any tasks. So it means I must always try to maintain this at 75 and above, or probably 80 if you want to be on the safe side. So this happens when you do tasks that take long to approve. If I go to this micro job, so just go to the home page. Let me log in that. Now, if I go to this home page, you'll notice that we have these tasks: 2 days to rate, 7 days. Now, if you do many tasks that take 7 days to rate and they appear as pending, it means that your success rate will have dropped from this section. This success rate will drop. So you always try to mix tasks that are approved within a shorter time and ones within a longer time. The other thing that we were to talk about were levels. Now, these levels depend on how much work you've done and the number of tasks that you've done before. If you look at mine, I've done 1,614 tasks and $55. This is because I do simple tasks, but if you even look at my average earning, 0.035. So these levels help you maybe open more tasks. If you're at level 1, you will not see many tasks within this gigs section. So within the task sections, so let me just go to micro jobs and find jobs, and you can see the tasks. Now you'll notice that some tasks, the names are displayed, in some they are locked. Now these are normally unlocked the higher you go, depending on the level. As you notice, this is a starter. The starter ones are being displayed. Then we have different tasks level. So your level when you come to this section here determines the number of tasks available to you or how much is unlocked in this platform. Now, how can you make sure that you remain secure on this website? There are two things that you can do. One, always make sure that you only register one account on one device, because if you use two accounts on the same device with the same IP address, you will end up having your account locked. The second thing that you need to do to ensure that you're secure on the website is always try to set up two-factor authentication, or try to secure your account. Use a strong password to be on the safe side. Now, if I tap on this here and go to account settings, I'll see the options to set up this security. So if I go to security, for instance, I have activated two-factor authentication. If you're not here, please do not delete the Google two-factor authenticator app. After you set up 2FA, your account will be lost. Now you notice those are some of the things. So you need to always set up two-factor authentication so that you always have to enter a certain code before you log into your account. That means nobody else can access your account unless they have your phone, or maybe can get access to that two-factor authentication. You can always use these codes to recover. So this only happens when you've lost your phone. Let's say you maybe your phone crashed, or maybe you lost it, and you can get access to that two-factor authentication app. Then you'll use this here to log into your account and recover it. So you can either print this or download this and save it in a place where you know you'll always get access. I always prefer if you use Google Drive, because it is a service that you can access anytime, anywhere, as long as you have your email password. If you don't know how to use Google Drive, if you've not maybe understood how to use it deeply, there is a video talking about that. The link is in the description or from the pop-ups that appear. Apart from security, maybe one more thing that you should notice is that Sproutgigs has the ability to, as a worker, you have the ability to list your gigs. This is more like how it happens on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr and Kwork and all that. So you can come and list the tasks that you are able to do as a person. So if I go to browse gigs, for instance, in this section, you notice that people have listed things here: professional articles, blog posts. You have all that. I'm not sure if they have categories. Let's see categories. Yeah, you can see we have all this: digital writing, graphic design. So if I choose this, for instance, see apply, see what I have here: design 5 social media post banner. So you notice that most of these have not had like that much reviews, because this is a service that was introduced just a short while back. Some still have 0 reviews, but some have already done some tasks. So if you need a task done for you, you'll go and request. It is always a good thing to look at the reviews, because this normally represents customer experience, whether they're satisfied or not satisfied. They give a certain rating. Even though this can be manipulated, but it's not always a common case. So you can do this. So you can either request a service here, or you can add. If I say my posted gigs, I've not posted any gig. So if I wanted to post a service, let's say maybe I write YouTube scripts or something, I just go and post a gig and create that. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to create this gig here, and maybe how to market it. You can do so through social media. One last thing on Sproutgigs is the referral program, and that is another thing that we are not going to put it on this video because it will be too long. So we'll create one on how to create create a referral program for your Sproutgigs account, and how to share it, and also how to create a gig on this website here. Once again, don't forget to click on the link in the description to sign up to Sproutgigs, and also remember to hit the subscribe button for similar content on tech and software reviews.